To create this lamp, there are a few important things you need to keep in mind. Let's start with the 3D model. No matter which 3D software you use, whether it's 3ds Max, Blender, or SketchUp, you'll have access to UV unwrapping tools. I'll be using Blender because it's free and incredibly powerful. The most important thing is how you unwrap the UVs. The surface that will receive the emissive video material should be one continuous UV island. It shouldn't be split by a seam like this example. This setup is incorrect, while this one is correct. The reason is simple. The video texture needs to play seamlessly across the entire surface. If there's a UV seam in the middle, the video will break at that line, making the object look unnatural. Once the UVs are ready, simply assign a basic material to that surface and import the model into Lumion. After bringing the model into Lumion, place it in your scene and open the Material Editor. Select the surface where you want to apply the material, and instead of using a regular texture or image, we're going to use a video. You'll need a looping footage like this one. I'll include a download link for the video in the description below. Load the video into the texture slot. As you can see, the video is now playing directly on the surface of the lamp. Next, increase the emission value to make the screen glow. You can also add a bit of reflectivity to give the surface a subtle glass-like appearance. There's one more important step. In the Emission Map slot, load the exact same video again. This allows the darker parts of the video to emit less light, making the effect much more realistic. If you look closely, you'll notice that the video is also playing in the Emission Map. Lumion automatically converts it to grayscale, which controls the brightness of the emitted light. At this point, the emissive part of the lamp is finished. All that's left is to assign a material to the lamp's body. You can use any material from the Lumion library, but I'll use one of the EasyViz wood materials. I'll simply pick one of the wood presets. Finally, if I switch the scene to nighttime, you can see the effect much clearer. The emission is a little too strong, so I'll reduce it slightly. And that's it.